Eating well is one of the most important things you can do for your health. But what does eating well really mean? It means eating a variety of foods that give your body the nutrients it needs to work properly. There are three main nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates give you energy. You can find them in bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes. Proteins help your body grow and repair itself. Good sources of protein are meat, fish, eggs, and beans. Fats are also necessary, but you should choose healthy fats like those found in olive oil, nuts, and avocado. Fruits and vegetables are also essential. Doctors recommend eating at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day. They are full of vitamins and minerals that protect your body from illness. Finally, water is the most important drink for your body. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Many people drink too much soda and coffee instead of water, and this is not good for their health.